Hello students, welcome back to VK Commerce Talks. In today's session, I'll be continuing with the previous session's topic only, that is retirement of a partner. In our previous video, we have discussed about gain ratio of the continuing partners. In today's class, let us calculate the new profit sharing ratio of the continuing partners when a partner retires. So, let us start with the problems. Before starting with the problem, just a brief revision of the previous one. What was the gain ratio formula? Gain ratio is equal to what? Gain ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. Okay, this was the gain ratio formula. It's just a simplification of the equations now. Now, to find gain ratio, we have applied new ratio minus old ratio. Now, what are we supposed to find out now? New ratio. Now if you want to find the new ratio, what I will do? I will put this old ratio this side. So what will be my formula? It is gain ratio plus old ratio is equal to new ratio, or nothing but new ratio is equal to old ratio plus the portion gained by the continuing partners. Okay. So moving on to the first problem now. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. What is this 5:3:2? Old ratio. Who is retiring? B retires from the firm, and his share, whose share? B's share is acquired. Acquired means gained by A and C. So here A and C are the continuing partners and B is a retiring partner. So continuing with the question, B retires from the firm and his share is acquired by A and C in the ratio of 2:1. So what is this 2:1? The portion gained by the continuing partners. Whose share is gained here? The retiring partners. Let us see how to solve this. What will be the question now? Calculate new profit sharing ratio. We will not leave our method here. First we shall write what is given. So, starting with the question, given old ratio is equal to A is to B is to C. Okay, what is their ratio? 5:3:2. So 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10. 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10. This is our old ratio. B retires from the firm. So B is I'll just mark it like this for my reference here. So who is a retiring partner? B. And what is his share? 3/10. B's share, that is retiring partner share, will be shared or acquired by the continuing partners, in which ratio they have given 2:1. So how to calculate now? Portion gained. Some people also use it as acquired. Both are same. Portion gained or acquired by A is equal to, in what ratio they are acquiring? 2:1. 2:1 means 2/3 into whose share is acquired by A? The retiring partner's share. And who is our retiring partner? B. And what is his share? 3/10. So 2/3 into 3/10. Don't go for cancelling, no? Just simply multiply the numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Last step we will simplify this. So 2 3s are 6, 3 10s are 30. So what is this 6/30? Portion gained or acquired by A. In which ratio they are acquiring? 2:1. How do you write 2:1? 2/3, 1/3. Similarly, portion gained or acquired by C is equal to, how much C is getting here? 1/3 into whose share? B's share. Definitely the retiring partner share, that is 3/10. 1 into 3, 3. 3 10s are 30. So what is this here? portion gained. Now coming to the NPSR. NPSR is equal to old ratio plus portion gained. Students, when you look at this formula, don't you think in case of when we are solving the admission of a partner new ratio, what was the new ratio formula? NPSR is equal to old ratio minus portion sacrificed. In case of admission of a partner, the old partner sacrificed their share towards the new partner. It's exactly the opposite concept here. When a partner retires, his share will be acquired back or gained back by the old partner. So formula is old ratio plus portion gained. So A's new ratio is equal to, what is A's old ratio? 5/10, okay, plus what is A's portion gained? 6/30. Now if you observe here, one denominator is a 10 and one denominator is 30. Can we not make this 10 as 30? 10 3s are 30. So if you are multiplying the into 3 for numerator, I have to multiply into 3 for denominator also. So into 3, 5 3s are 15 plus 6 as it is divided by common LCM is 30. Okay now. So 15 plus 6, it is 21 divided by 30. Similarly, C's new ratio is equal to, what is C's old ratio? C's old ratio is 2/10 plus, what is the portion gained by C? It is 3/30. Common LCM will be 30 only. 10 3s are 3 1s are 2 3s are 6 plus 3 1s are 3. See, in two different ways we can get the answer, but ultimately we will end up at the same. 6 plus 3, it is 9/30. So NPSR or new ratio is equal to A is to C, that is 21/30 is to 9/30. So ultimately you get 21 is to 9. I think further we can simplify this. What we can get? It cancels by 3 now. 3 7s are 3 3s are. So ultimately what is your answer here? 7 is to 3. So what is the new ratio of the continuing partners? 7 is to 3. It's exactly the same concept what we have done in our admission of a partner. It's a reverse concept. Okay students, let's move on to the third question now. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3:2. So what is this 4:3:2? Given old ratio. What is here? Who are the old partners? Old ratio A is to B is to C. What is their ratio? 4:3:2. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 4/9, 3/9 and 2/9. Okay. C retires. So who is a retiring partner here? C. What is his share? 2/9. And his share is acquired by A and B in the ratio of 2:1. So what is this 2:1? The portion gained by the continuing partners. So how do you write it? Same, portion gained by A. In what ratio? 2:1. 2:1 means 2/3, 1/3. So it is 2/3 into portion gained by A, 2/3, 2/3 into whose share they are gaining? C's share. And what is C's share? 2/9. It is 2/9. So 2 2s are 4 divided by 3 9s are 27. Okay. Similarly, portion gained by B. 2:1. 2/3, 1/3. 1 by 3 into 2 by 9. 1 2s are 2, 3 9s are 27. So what is this? Portion gained by A and B. Now the formula NPSR is equal to old ratio plus what? Portion gained. Now students, I have applied the formula. Solve this and give me the answer in the comment box. I will be waiting for your answer in the comment box. This is an exercise for you. Now moving on to the next question here. Similar one. Now I have made a slight twist in the question here. Please try to concentrate this problem. I am waiting for your answer for this question. Okay. X, Y, Z are partners sharing profits and losses in the proportion of 3 by 8, 1 by 2, 1 by 8. Now when they use this word proportion, when they give you the different denominators, we have to make them same now. So what is given to you? Let us write what is given. Given old ratio is equal to X is to Y is to Z. What is the proportion they have given? 3 by 8 is to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 8. Now when there are different denominators are there, I cannot write as 3 is to 1 is to 1. We have to make the denominator same. If you observe, X and Z denominators are same 8. Okay. Whereas Y's denominator is 1 by 2 it is. Now what we'll do? Can we not make this 2 as 8 by multiplying what? 2 4s are 8. So into 4 into 4. So what will be your ratio now? 3 by 8 is to 4 by 8 is to 1 by 8. This is our old ratio. Okay, 3 is to 4 is to 1 actually it is. They have given us extra work for us. X retires. The retiring partner is X. And what is his share, students? 3 by 8. Now please observe the words they have. That's why I have chosen this problem. Try to understand the words here. X retires, okay, and surrenders. Who is surrendering? X is surrendering. Who is X here? Retiring partner. Just try to understand the words here. Retiring partner is surrendering. Surrenders. What does it mean? Try to analyze the words here. If retiring partner is surrendering, it means what? The continuing partners are gaining, or they are acquiring. Both means the same here. Same problem only. Slightly they have tried to play with the English language here. So X retires and surrenders 2/3 of his share in favor of Y. Means X is giving to Y is nothing but Y is getting from X only. So it means the same here. So if the retiring partner is surrendering, it is nothing but the continuing partners are acquiring or the gain. So we will not change with our words now. Okay, what they have given? Portion gained. I just write it in short now. Portion gained by Y. Once again, read that sentence now. X retires and surrenders 2/3 of his share. What is X's share? 3 by 8. 2/3 of his share in the favor of Y. So how much Y is gaining here? He is gaining 2/3. Whose 2/3? X's 2/3 share. That is 3 by 8. 2 3s are 6. 3 8s are 24. Like this. Continuing. One last sentence. Very important now. X retires and surrenders 2/3 of his share in favor of Y and remaining share. Now see, we are talking about the fraction. What is the biggest fraction here? 1. Okay, na? In that, he is giving 2/3 to Y. What remains? That is called remaining. How to get the remaining here? 3 1s are 3. minus 2. 3 minus 2, 1. So what will be the remaining share? 1/3. So portion gained by Z is equal to 1/3. 2/3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನಂದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 1/3 of whose share? 3/8. So 1 3s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So slight change in the words there. Formula as it is, NPSR is equal to old ratio plus portion gain. Now before we apply the figures here, once again please, this is a very important question students. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಮೊದಲ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು 3/8 1/2 1/8 ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಓಕೆ ಬಂತು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಓಕೆನಾ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾಗ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ವೈರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾಗ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡಾತಾರ ರಿಟೈರಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತಾರ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯು. When the retiring partner is surrendering, it is nothing but the continuing partners are gaining. ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರ ರಿಟೈರಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಕೊಡಾಕತ್ತಾರ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತಾರ ಇಸ್ಕೊಳತ್ತಾರ ರಿಸೀವಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತಾರ. ಸೊ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ 2/3 ಶೇರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತಂದ ಶೇರ್ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದರದ್ದು 2/3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಶೇರ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಶೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ ಅದಾವು. ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ನಮ್ದು 1. ಆ 1 ಒಳಗ 2/3 ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟೇವಿ y ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3 1s are 3 3 minus 2 1 1/3 ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಶೇರ್ 1/3 ಅದದ್ದು ಶೇರ್. Okay, so 6/24 and 3/24 is what here? The portion gained by y and z. Formula remains the same. I want you to solve the remaining process, and this third problem and the fourth problem I am giving you as an assignment. Solve this problem and give me the answer in the comment box. Okay students, I hope you have understood today's session. If you are really liking my teaching, please do subscribe my channel and please share with your friends. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you very much.